places that
Magandang
belong
umaga.
to like old like an old house.
Papunta na kami ngayon sa school
Alam mo
ni
yun,
Boss
I
Daniel.
Mga ganun ako.
Ayun na.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get like
Pasahero na lang ako ngayon. Ako dati driver.
curious why. Because
Ayun na.
why would you choose
Ay, boss ko.
when it's not
Smile naman,
the
boss.
story?
Give me
Oh,
ano
I
dyan.
So I was like, maybe there's something.
There is
My
something
brain is
there.
done.
May naiwan doon or
Meron.
something. Or maybe something that you long
Bada
for.
kami, 80.
That was
Hinahinay lang,
kind
boss.
of Parang around the same time na you used to live there.
Because I'm pretty sure with dreams, nothing is random.
Ano masasabi mo sa
I was
driving
thinking
mo?
of some sort of
Ha?
explanation.
Okay na.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I feel
Okay.
that way as well.
And coming from Sanjay Berry,
Number seven.
when I finally realized how useless it is to try to please everyone, I just focused on the people who appreciate me for who I am. And that's when I truly saw the real me in the mirror.
Man in the mirror.
Yeah, salamin salamin. Yeah, right? It's like, because when you don't,
Nangangawit din.
it's not like you want to piss everyone, but there's a difference between not wanting to piss everyone off and just being true to yourself. And
Not
hindi naman
trying to
ibig
please
sabihin,
them either.
oo. So that doesn't mean you'll be an
Okay.
a-hole,
No.
right? It just means,
Lalay, lalay.
you
Okay,
know
go.
what, this is what I want to do. And if it doesn't hurt anyone
Very
else,
good.
let me do it. Even if you don't agree with it.
Like you don't tell them what you know they want,
Hams?
Yeah.
but you tell them what's truly in
Okay.
your heart.
Yep, yep. And from Simply Nudge,
Number six.
Kaliwa, kaliwa.
how I found
Tingin sa kaliwa.
myself. Yung wala
Ilag
ka
ka,
nang
yan.
pakialam sa
Very
mga
good.
sa paligid.
Ganyan, pag may himinto, ilag agad. Tingin mo na.
Oh, yeah, all the chismosas of the world.
Yeah.
Kasi they're just really, they can't wait.
Yeah.
But they're frothing at the mouth.
Kasi-
Dami nilang
Lubak,
chismis.
kanan ka.
Pare.
Kana, very
For
good.
example, you
Oh,
fell in love
yan.
with somebody who
Don't panic.
is older than you,
Be happy.
same gender as you, or
Basta controversial.
like boss mo.
Ganun ka rin. Tingin ka rin sa camera.
May ibang
Yan.
jowa.
Gusto
Oh,
mong
but
mangyari
you know,
ba?
like, doesn't matter
Hams.
what it is, like, but something
Sira
that
yung mga
would be
busing natin.
Or
Ooh.
yan ang mga.
scandalous for other people.
Very good.
Your thing. And that's you.
Ilang
That's the
minutes
real
ba tayo?
you. Fell in love with that specific person.
Yeah.
So,
Tama na yan?
scam will be down